Hey everyone, I have the January hip kits to show you, so I'm gonna unpack everything and let's take a look. Okay, so let's start with the papers. From Pink Fresh Studio, this is Everyday Musings. I think it's like their newest collection. I'm not sure, but I think so. This is called Good Times, and this side has this really cute floral, and then the other side I love. This is probably what I'll be using just because I find these kinds of papers a lot easier to use, and I think this would be a great background. Yeah, I love it. Next we have Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musings. This is called Present and Perfect, and it's a beautiful minty print. I'll show you close up. And then the other side is super cute. It has all these colorful dots. This is how I like multicolored prints. So lots of white and then a little bit of color. We have from Dear Lizzie, New Day. This is called Mindful, and I love this print because it's pink. And then the other side, ooh, perfect. I always like to have some black and white prints. Then we have Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musings. This is called Happy Place. This side is a tone-on-tone green pattern, and I'll be using this side because green is just not my color, but I love this. This is kind of a light pink with a purple stripe, and it's very pretty. From Hip Kit Club, this is exclusive, and this is called I guess the collection is called Big Chill, and this was designed by Kim Watson. And this paper is called Beautiful Blizzard, and it has all these colorful snowflakes. And then the other side is a beautiful light blue with this really cute white, like a little leaf sketch on it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the colors in this kit. It's very neat. Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musings. This is so cute. So this has a yellow background with all these little cups, and then this side is also beautiful. It's white, and then it has this geometric pattern with some pops of color. Lovely. From Crate Paper, Lala Love. This is a beautiful, I just love the colors here. So it's kind of blue and a very light, somewhat peachy pink, I would say. This is beautiful. And then this side is this red on pink pattern. Love it. Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musings. This has this beautiful pattern of birdies. And then the other side is this lovely kind of tone-on-tone print in this orangey red, I would say, which coordinates beautifully with all the other papers. From Crate Paper, from Lala Love, this is called Bouquet, and this side has these cute little flowers, and then this side is a lovely, I think it's the same kind of peachy light pink dot on a blue background. And then from Crate Paper, Hooray, we have this paper which is called Yay, Bravo, Hurrah. And this side has all these yay, yay, yays, but I really like this side. It has this confetti type of look to it. So really, really, this is my kind of color palette. So these are the B sides. I just love these colors. Super happy about playing with them. And then these are the A sides. So really, really a lovely color palette. The alphas that we have in the kit are these beautiful, these are chipboard, and they're called Fairy Tale, and they have this really cute kind of whimsical font. I absolutely love it. And there's also, you can see that there are like two different kinds. So one has a little bit more, I don't know, more. You can see like this is the regular bee, and then this is a little bit more embellished, I would say. So that's a fun touch. And I really like the color, dark blue color. Then we have some word stickers, which I'm always a fan of. This is from Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musings, and these are the puffy accents. And I love it that we have words and embellishments as well. That's again something I always enjoy. This is from Pink Fresh Studio Joyful Day, and these are chipboard frames and element stickers. So really cute mix of frames, and then also inside there are some cute florals. We have, whoops, from Everyday Musings, this is the ephemera pack, Pink Fresh Studio of course, and as always lots and lots of fun stuff to use. My favorites are always the florals and the leaves. I do like those. And then for some more like accents, we have these from the mix number 2, tassel bows. I think we've received something similar in the past, and I absolutely love having like different textures on my pages. I really enjoy adding these little bows. And fresh, hot from the press, this is from Chamel's new collection, Head in the Clouds. These are the glitter enamel dots. There are 60 here, and how gorgeous are these colors. So these have, you know, you get different shapes, 4 different shapes, 5 different colors, and then there are different sizes in each shape, and these have glitter in them, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So this is the main kit. For your paper needs, you can get the pattern paper kit, which has all the papers in the main kit, or you can get the cardstock kit. I'll show you the colors this month. This is probably my favorite color ever. It's kind of like that radiant orchid color, you know, that Pantone came out with a few years ago, and I absolutely love it. So I'm thinking I will use this. There's also a very light pink, which I always enjoy using. We have white, we have this bright yellow, and we have this, I don't know, I never know how to describe this color, but it's somewhere between a pink and like a salmon color, I would say. It looks gorgeous with the papers. And then some dark blue. Now this is not the type of color that I tend to use, but what I like to do with these pieces, you can either use them as a backing if you're doing like a mixed media page and it gets a little bit warped, so you can just adhere it to this to flatten it out. Or what I do many times is I would use these as kind of stencils and cut, you know, use my Cameo and cut something usually from the cut files that we get each month. And you know, it's not as sturdy as like a plastic stencil, but it lasts me for a few layouts, and it's a great way to use up colors that might not be my jam. So those are the extra paper kits you can get. And now I'll show you the embellishment kit. I'll start with the alpha. There's some really cute stuff here. So we have from Everyday Musings, Pink Fresh Studio, these are the puffy alphabets. I love these, the colors are fantastic, and I love the mix of fonts. So you have you know, the uppercase and lowercase and a few numbers. I love this purple. It's like my favorite color. Then we have these Celebrate thickers, which are super cute. So I'll have to check for any birthday and party photos that I have. And yeah, they have also this silver glitter, which is very pretty. So super cute, some words and then some stars and some embellishments. These are very, I mean, they're pretty dimensional, and they are on foam, which I absolutely love because it sticks better than chipboard. We also have, okay, now it gets even better. We have puffy stickers from Everyday Musings, Pink Fresh Studio. I love these. I love the colors of this collection. It's gorgeous. I don't know, they're both so good. Okay, so from Pink Fresh Studio, we have these layered stickers. I love layered stickers. I feel like they, you know, kind of do the work for me, and they add a lot of detail and dimension without me having to work. So I'll just show you a bit of close-up. My camera doesn't want to focus there. You can see some of the colors. Lovely. These are the kind of embellishments I can use on every single page. And I'm super excited about this. So these are acrylic stamps from Chamel's new collection, and I just love these. So I'm really going to enjoy playing with these. So you can layer the butterfly here, and then there are these cute clouds, and you can't go wrong with a camera, right? I mean, cameras are always a good choice. And then some cute little icons, stars and such. I absolutely love this set. And yeah, oh, and we have also three, I almost forgot, 3 flare buttons. So these are the flare buttons, very cute. We have hooray, we have hello 2019, and enjoy every moment. So these will work really well for me as I document my trip to the US and Creativation and drop stuff all over the place. Thank you for watching. Check out the Hip Kit Club for all the details on these kits, and of course also the February kits, which you can order now, and they will be shipping come February. So thanks for watching. Bye.